Hi, I'm Laura Fore with Fore Premier Properties. Welcome to 230 Cade Loop. This 47.3-acre retreat is located in highly sought-after River Valley Ranch in Ingram, Texas. This property truly has everything people love about the Texas Hill Country. Let's take a look. What makes this tract so special is the combination of natural beauty, versatility, and location. You're about 9 miles from Kerrville and just a short drive to public Guadalupe River access for recreation when you want it. With 47.3 acres and the ability to create up to 4 10-acre home sites, the property is ideal for a custom-built, multi-generational living or long-term investment. The land opens into rolling terrain, native grasses, mature hardwoods, abundant wildlife, and elevations rising to 1,920 feet, offering sweeping, unobstructed views from the ridge. A wet weather creek adds movement and natural texture to the landscape, and the property has been thoughtfully cleared to reveal multiple premier home sites, whether perched high or nestled in the pastures below. Protective covenants help maintain the integrity of the community, including a minimum 1,800 square foot primary residence and a 75% masonry requirement. The existing 2,334 square foot residence features classic hill country style with rock accents, a metal roof, and abundant windows. Inside, a 2-story great room with vaulted ceiling creates a warm, inviting setting for weekends away or everyday living. With 3 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, it works beautifully as a primary residence, a second home, or a future guest house once your custom build is complete. Additional improvements include a spacious pole barn, a private water well, and an agricultural exemption, keeping carrying costs low and supporting land stewardship. The property feels peaceful, private, and authentically hill country. 230 Cade Loop is beautiful and full of opportunity, whether you're dreaming of a hill country retreat, a forever home, or a strategic long-term investment. To schedule your private showing, call 830-459-4000 or visit forepremierproperties.com.